Hi, we're the Safe Place team, and we're here to tell you a little bit more about ourselves and what we do. I'm Lauren, and I'm a business student.
I'm Kelsey, and I'm an environmental health graduate student.
I'm Nico, and I'm a public health student.
And I'm Anthony, and I'm a medical student.
So when I think of home, I think of my safe place. But the truth is far from this. There are several hidden dangers in our homes that many of us are unaware of. For example, chemical exposures. Every year, 150,000 people visit emergency departments for chemical-related cases. However, 2/3 of these are entirely preventable through proper techniques.
You're probably wondering why this problem happens. It's likely because today's product labels are confusing and they're easy to overlook. People normally assume that when they buy a product in the store that's going to be safe, and they disregard the fact that sometimes in order for it to be safe, they have to use the proper protective wear.
So we believe that we have the ability to reduce the number of people going to the ER each year due to the chemical exposures in their home. And we think the most important thing is to be able to educate people about what's going on. So that's why we created the app, Safe Place. So basically what it is you pull out your phone at home and you're able to use this app to scan the barcodes of all of the products, the cleaning products that you keep at home. And what this app does for you is it gives you a user-specific analysis of all of the health information that you might be interested in knowing, such as acute and chronic health effects of the ingredients, carcinogenicity warnings, protective equipment that you might want to be wearing, as well as safer alternatives that you might be interested in using instead.
Yeah, so in addition to really being a really powerful user education tool, Safe Place is the second really big thing that Safe Place does is serve as a brand liaison. And so what we want to do is connect safer household chemical products and brands to a new and engaged user base that's part of this shift in the market towards more health-conscious products. And so what we're doing specifically with this is just like Anthony was saying, the products that are scanned and inventoried by the user, we can use that information and deliver a tailored alternatives, and we're able to promote brands that really make sense for the user and their families. And so we really see a long-term opportunity with this product in combining education, analysis, and also serving as an outlet for a growing market of health-conscious products.
Let's rewind for a second. The idea for Safe Place actually came from my grandpa, who is an 84-year-old farmer and is still active in agriculture. Over the course of his life, he's had exposures to ag chemicals, some of them being pesticides, which he's had an adverse health effects to. And so his exposures are what really first got me interested in exposure science. When I began taking graduate courses in environmental health, I realized that there were simple steps that could be taken in order to reduce his chance of exposure. With Safe Place, we've simply transferred these steps into a home environment and are providing the users with a resource in order to make their home and families safer.
So in the short time that Safe Place has been an idea, we've had several accomplishments. Firstly, we won 3rd place at the National App Competition for the University of Institute of Medicine. And we recently won 1st place at our local business startup competition.
So we really appreciate you giving your time to listen to us today. We're really excited to share with you all of our ideas for this upcoming app.
And don't forget to follow us online for updates and stay involved. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks.